In the previous video, we saw that financial markets are stochastic. That means outcomes are not perfectly predictable. But this raises a deeper question. What does pure randomness actually look like? In this video, we will build intuition for something called white noise. Let's start with something you have seen in the first Python lab. If you plot stock returns, they don't follow a smooth trend. They move up and down in a seemingly random way. So the question is simple. Are these movements completely random or is there some hidden structure? To answer this, we introduce a key idea, white noise. White noise represents pure randomness. It is the simplest form of a stochastic process. The first property of white noise is very simple. White noise has no pattern. There is no trend and no predictable structure. The second property is that it is centered around zero. Values fluctuate above and below zero, but on average, they balance out. The third property is very important. White noise has no memory. What happened yesterday does not affect today. Each observation is independent here. In finance, we often compare returns to white noise. Returns appear random, they fluctuate around zero, and they are difficult to predict. But are they truly white noise? Not exactly. Financial data is not perfectly white noise. We saw earlier that volatility clusters. So, while returns look random, they still contain some structure. A useful way to think about this is signal versus noise. White noise represents pure noise, but in real data, we observe a mix of signal and noise. This is where modeling becomes important. Econometric models try to separate what is real structure from what is just randomness. The key takeaway is simple here. Real financial data is a combination of signal and noise. White noise is something that helps us understand the noise part. Now that we understand randomness more clearly, we can take the next step. In the next lesson, we will understand what the error term really means in finance. Till then, thank you for watching and as always, happy learning.